Hey folks, how's your winter? Check it out. We're going to try to get happy again, and we're going to decorate for winter to lighten it up and make us happy for a little while till we could decorate for spring right here on my take on home and garden. Okay guys, so hey, the first thing I want to do, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use in the dining room today. Then, like magic, I'll take you around and show you everything I did. Okay guys, now what can we possibly do different for this winter? We have blue and white. Now, not just any blue and white. We're going to use an English blue and white. You've seen before, we've got our fabulous Tulip Time porcelain ware by Johnson Brothers of England. It's not heavy like the Asian blue and white, as you know. So this is the theme. Mostly English and a little bit of French blue for the dining room this year. Now I'm going to go a little different too with some white ranunculus for a couple of arrangements. Some white buds, little nutty stalks, some frosted boxwood. We even have salt and peppers in that blue and white. Lighter vases. We got little miniatures and birds, of course, and porcelain, and some Asian pieces as well. Got all my stands and lifts ready. Couple pairs of white birds, and again in the Ridgeway, beautiful light blue and white gold trim. Made in England. Then our Old English Belvedere set by Johnson Brothers again. Dinner plates, luncheon plates, and salad plates. There's a smaller platter and serving bowl, and the larger platter will not work in to the shelves that I'm doing today. We'll also have a beautiful, just trying to pop for spring, chocolate pot set in the Nippon porcelain ware. Okay, these are the bulk of what I want to use in the decorating today. Now I'm going to show you the before room. Just almost get the willies with all this emptiness. I have to fix this immediately. As you regulars know, here's the emptiness of the racks and shelves, and then I'm gonna do the transformation for you right now. Okay guys, let's take a look at our winter dining room here for you today. Just to recap, we've used lighter as much as we have in the decor, plates in the English style. And the superstar, of course, on the one half of the room is the Tulip Time by Johnson Brothers. We'll use some accents, anything that'll work to fill those shelves and be coordinated for the display. Very hard to get a hold of today. We just always loved this set. Early century. And of course I've dropped down some of the Cruet collection to make this all work. Icy and blue, but not summer blue. Okay. Minimal arrangements and little accent pieces. Really basic for me, as you know. Then we'll come around our buffet and see that Ridgeway porcelain made in England. Love to see those anytime I can get them out. Our little snowy white birds. So on this side of the shelving, the rack has all the little salad plates that go to the Tulip Time. And on the left side, we have them in the Johnson Brothers Old English Belvedere pattern. If you think the Tulip Time is hard to get, try to collect this one. You'll see why we have so little. Love it anyway. And our Christmas gifts from the folks here, some Asian Nippon. Wintry scene, just budding for the season. And again, our dinner plates, ultra rare gravy boat and underplate in that gorgeous Belvedere pattern. And another pair of birds in the snowy white to balance. Vegetable server, and continue on up with the cruet collection. And as you know, that goes all the way across to the other side. Here's our light blue and white on our little stand, and we're going to come out of here and show you from the front of the table view. Always good to see all the perspectives and get that overall look. I think this really works if you have two smaller sets. Dig them out of that cabinet, give them a wipe, and enjoy them while you're giving them the dignity of being in your house in the first place. That's how you can enjoy them. Here's our centerpiece. Played down a bit. Frosty silvery. Again with ranunculus. Not overdone. Just to make it different. Really happy with this, and wait till you see how we can just adjust this for spring when the time comes. Folks, hopefully you enjoyed our winter decorate the dining room with me. Give us a like, a share, a comment, tell a friend. Get some ideas and have a blast. We'll see you soon. We're going to have, I think, another haul for your shopping pleasure. You collectors out there, take it easy. See you soon. Bye, guys.